I would like to do this question E first because it is much easier to use chain rule. So I need to teach you guys chain rule first because this is the most basic rule for differentiation chapter 9. So what I need to do is just rearranging it first. From positive power, it becoming negative power, I just bring it up so that it's easier to solve it using chain rule. Okay, and I have to find the dy dx. I have to differentiate it, but I need to recall the formula first. The formula of chain rule, or we call it as power rule. So we have function y, okay, function fx to the power of n. So when we want to differentiate it, we need to bring the n down and the fx is remain, okay, and the power become n minus 1. And then you have to times it with f prime. Where does it come? It is just by differentiating the green function, and you get the red function, which is the f prime. Okay, this is the chain rule, the most basic rule you need to know, and you must be good at it. Okay, so now we differentiate it. Dy dx is equals to 2 times with the negative 1 over 5, and so you get negative 2 over 5 times it with 3x squared minus 1. You just remain it like that, kekalkan dekat situ, and the power will be changed, negative 1 over 5 minus by 1. Okay, and so you get negative 6 over 5, and then times with, in a bracket of differentiate the original function, and so you get 6x to the power of 1. Okay, and here you simplify it, and so that's your answer. You have to always aiming for a positive power as your final answer. Just remember to follow this formula, chain rule or power rule, okay, and you'll be fine in this chapter. Cheers!